It's a wonderful Saturday morning in the city of Lagos, and today we are going to do a spectacular job. And what's the job we're going to do today? We're going to install 36 units of 665 watt solar panel. That's wow, right? Of course. 665 watt solar panel is one of the biggest solar panels that exists so far, so good. So we are going to install 36 units of it today in this building for one of our clients here in Lagos. 36 units of 665 watt solar panel, it's a total PV capacity of about 24 kilowatt peak. 24 kilowatt peak of solar PV energy, and this system we're going to be connected to a 20 kVA inverter setup. That's about 10 kVA each of the inverters, and then we're looking at a storage capacity of 50 kilowatt hour of storage capacity. If the sun is good and everything goes well, we are expecting a total energy generation of 100 kilowatt hour daily. That's about 100 units of electricity. For most of you who use prepaid meters, you know the amount of electricity that you buy for 100 units, especially for those who use by A. So we're looking at about a total daily generation of 100 kilowatt hour or 100 units of electricity. So we're about to start right now. Everything is set. Everybody is already at work. So let's kick off and then see how it gets to. Hopefully by evening, I will get back to you on this.